So in your hashtag section, you want to look for like hashtag inner peace. But when you search that, let me just do that one real quick. Inner peace, 7 million posts. There's no way that you or me could post and then have our post show up for very long. So when you look at that, look at some people's content, like look at hers. She has 214 comments and 5,000 likes. She's going to be a big account. Look at this one, 3,000 likes. That's going to be another big account. 19, we're getting smaller here. 32 likes. So then what I would do is spend a little time in here researching and looking for what other hashtags they are using. So hashtag stillness. Let's just click on that one and see what that one is. That's 1 million posts. It's a little bit smaller, but these are going to be posts that are still related to that. They're using all of these hashtags. So this is how you start diving in. They use stillness, they used awareness. Awareness could be another one that you could use for inner peace. Mindfulness is another one that you could use. Enlightenment, meditate. But again, with all of these, I would look at them and just make sure you want to find some that have several 100,000. I would keep it below 1 million to start out with. And some I would use up to 100,000 uses. Some I would use between 100,000 and up to 1 million even. You know, think of your hashtags as an extension of your keywords. So if you're using the keyword inner peace, then I would look for a hashtag related to peace or something like that, so that it does fall in line. Because as Instagram is moving more towards SEO, you're going to get more out of using the hashtags, no matter the size, that are aligned with your keywords in your caption or on your actual post itself.